Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome to Senior 4 Mathematics. We are looking at complex numbers and we are now on operations of complex numbers. And we have started with addition of complex numbers. Example 2 says that if z1 is negative 4 plus 7i and z2 is 5 minus 10i, work out z1 plus z2. Pause the video and try it out. Then you come back and we continue together. So the solution would be that z1 plus z2 it equals to, what is the value of z1? z1 is a complex number represented by negative 4 plus 7i. We are going to add this complex number to the second complex number z2, that is 5 minus 10i. And the next step is just to collect the like terms. We group the real parts together. This gives us negative 4 plus 5. Do not forget with the sign. The sign before any number is the sign of that number. So 4 is negative and 5 is positive. So we have added the real parts together. Now let's go to the imaginary parts. What is the sign of 7i? It is positive. So we can say here plus 7i. What is the sign of 10i? It is negative. So we can say here minus 10i. And then this is now simple addition. Negative 4 plus 5. It is 1. Negative 4 plus 5 is simply the same as 5 minus 4. And then we come to 7i, which is the same as positive 7 minus 10i. To easily visualize it, let me first factor out I. So I'll put here plus 7 minus 10. I factored out I. What is 7 minus 10? 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Now that negative 3 is in the bracket. This negative 3 will affect the positive to become negative. So here we shall have 1 minus 3i. So the solution to the addition of these two complex numbers, z1 and z2, is 1 minus 3i. Going to the second example, that is part B of this example 2, says if z1 is 4 plus 12i and z2 is 3 minus 15i, find z1 plus z2. And the solution is not far from what we have been doing. Try out and show me in the comment section if you had passed it. So it is saying what is z1 plus z2 equals to, what is the complex representation? What is the complex number z? It is given as 4 plus 12i. We are going to add it to the second complex number z2, which is 3 minus 15i. We are going to collect the like terms again. The real parts, we add them or we collect them together. It gives us here 4 is positive plus 3 is positive. Then you go to the imaginary parts, that is positive 12 and negative 15. If you are starting with 12 first, what is the sign is positive, so plus 12i. And then you're going to 15, but the sign of 15 is negative 15i. What is 4 plus 3? This is 7 plus, again we are subtracting 12i minus 15i. This is the same as 12 minus 15, factor out i. This gives us 7 plus, what is 12 minus 15? This is negative 3i. Then we will proceed here. What does it give us? It gives us 7 minus 3i. And this is the solution for example 2. Thank you.